Meaning of judgment.
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 Judgment. The term judgment can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to the act or process of forming an opinion or evaluation about something or someone based on criteria or evidence. In a legal context, a judgment is a decision made by a court of law in a lawsuit or criminal case. It can also refer to a personal opinion or assessment of a situation, person, or behavior. Additionally, judgment can refer to the ability to make good decisions or choices based on sound reasoning and understanding.